Hello guys, we're at Raylander Tech. I'm Federico, and today I'll talk about operation systems. Well, you may know that Apple made OS X, Microsoft made Windows, and Linus Torvalds developed the first Linux. Well, do you know what is an operation system? I'll explain it. An operation system is the biggest program you ever had on your computer. Windows is an operation system that's common, and without Windows you can't install any programs, you can't go into web, you can't do anything, especially for the guys who needs to have Windows XP that died last year. And you may understand now what is an operation system. I know that has some motherboards that supports and allow you to use the internet without any operation system, but you know. So we, should you go for Apple, Microsoft, or try Linux? This is a personal question. Well, I should say that if you go to Apple, you will have to be an engineer, a video editor, programmer. For the other things, I suggest you to go through Windows. That is easy to use, has a lot of programs. But if you want to try Linux, I can say that you could have the better idea of your life. When you met, when you meet Windows versus Linux, you have a lot of pros and cons. And who wins that battle? I say Linux wins because of the use, because of no virus, because a lot of things. As the system usage, you may know that Linux is a bit faster than Windows, and but both have a lot of programs, and there's no more support for that idea that Linux has been not supported for all the programs. If you don't have Photoshop on Linux, you have GIMP. GIMP can do almost everything Photoshop do. You don't have Microsoft Office, but you have LibreOffice. That is the same thing. You just do a chance to Linux. I suggest you to start using Ubuntu. You can't use it without installing. Just download the image on the link below and burn it to a USB drive or a DVD and reboot your system through the DVD or the USB drive. Well, the installation will load and you can select try or install. Select try and you see all the things loading, and then you can try Linux without installing it. For those that like it, this Linux distro, you can install it without losing anything in your Windows system. It has a dual boot utility that make easier to have a dual boot PC. Well, you can choose Windows or Linux every time you reboot your system. And well, now I'll talk to you about OS X. This year Apple released OS X Yosemite. It's very beautiful. Yes, it's very, very, very awesome. What you can do with it? What's new on it? Almost nothing. Why else almost nothing? You're kidding me? No, just the interface. Not? May many programs will run easy. OS X is still fast and secure. If you get Windows versus OS 10, Windows will lose 1,000 times. OS 10 is almost incomparable to Windows when you get it to pros and cons. And so, should I buy a MacBook or an iMac or a Mac Pro? No. You can have a notebook or a PC and install OS 10 Yosemite for free. Yes, OS 10 is free. From last year, Mavericks was released for free and now Yosemite is for free. You can just see a guide on Tony Mac x86 and then you can install OS 10 in your computer. Is not it fantastic? Yes, it is. I had a Hackintosh and it worked perfectly. No, I didn't buy bought a HP ProBook. It was a Fuku 15A. Yes. You may not know this laptop, but I had one and it was good, very good. And then to the end of this video, I want to tell you about a Nixie Pixel channel and get past there, the link below. You may find a lot of content about Linux. If you try Ubuntu, you have an idea of how to operate it. And thank you for watching the video. Give a like, comment, let me know what do you think about everything I said here and what's next. Till the next time. Bye.